In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add a music or an audio on a photo on your WhatsApp status. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to open your WhatsApp account. So once you're there, you click on what? Status. On update. After which you are going to see status, you click on what? Add status, click on it. So after that, you simply need to choose a photo in which you want to add a music on. So let's say this one. After which, at the top one corner, you are going to see this music icon. Click on it. From there, now you simply need to choose or search for the artist in which you want to add his or her song. So let's say this one. So after that, you simply click on what? This arrow here. So for copyright issues, I'm going to simply need to reduce the volume. After adding the song, you simply click on what? Done. So after that, you simply click on what? Send. That is, click on it. Or you can add a caption if you want to say my school. So after that, you click on what? Send. So that's it. We just successfully added a sound on our WhatsApp status, as you can see. That's it. So guys, that's actually the way you add a song on your WhatsApp status, that is on a photo on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.